bubbles. I want to see if it freezes because I saw this lady blow a bubble and it froze. So I can't even catch it. Ah, what the hell? Let me catch one. Okay, I caught one. Let's see. I want to wait till it starts forming. How cold is it outside really? Okay, I got tired of reading because that lady's bubble was frozen immediately and mine wasn't. So
Hey Nana, we got a snow day. Hey Nana.
why is it so fast? Anyways, oh my god, look! It's the bubble. It's genuinely, it's literally the bubble. Like you can see. Oh my goodness, what the hell? This one right here. What? Wait, that's actually kind of cool.